Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Voidpet Dungeon tier list. Best team. If you've been playing Voidpet Dungeon for a while, you've probably reached at the moment where you're staring at your team thinking, okay, which Void Pets are actually worth using? So I pulled up the 2026 tier list and started testing a few combinations myself. Right away, the S tier pets are the ones that really carry battles. I've had great runs using pets like Loss, Greed, Paranoia, Kind, Sanctimony, Ambition, Jealous, Sonder, Joy, Chastity, Persistence, Rapture, and Downbad. These are the heavy hitters that make fights feel way easier than they probably should. Then you've got the A tier group, which are still very strong but slightly more situational. Things like sloth, defiance, diligence, wrath, devotion, mercy, patience, wonder, envy, gluttony, charity, and judgment. I like using them to fill gaps in my team depending on the dungeon, but the B tier and C tier pets can still work early game. Honestly, once you unlock stronger options, they mostly become backups. My tip: focus on building around a few S tier pets, and your dungeon runs suddenly feel a lot less stressful. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.